Microsoft just dropped a big update. The AI 900 exam is retiring. But here's what most people are missing. The core concepts aren't going anywhere. So if you think your current prep is wasted, it's not. In this video, I'll show you how to use these practice questions to prepare smarter for both the current exam and what's coming next. Let's test your knowledge with real AI 900 questions and see what actually carries forward. So whether you're taking the exam now or later, you're studying the right way. But first, a quick update you need to know. AI 900 retires June 30th, 2026 and will be replaced by AI 901. But here's the key insight. Fundamentals don't disappear, they evolve. And if you master them now, you're already ahead of the curve. Question 1. Which type of AI workload is used to classify emails as spam or not spam? A. Natural language processing. B. Computer vision. C. Anomaly detection. D. Regression. Pause the video and think about the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Natural language processing. Explanation. This involves understanding and analyzing text data, which is the core of NLP. It helps identify patterns in email content to detect spam. Question 2. Which Azure service is used for building, training, and deploying machine learning models? A. Azure Bot Service. B. Azure Cognitive Search. C. Azure Machine Learning. D. Azure Form Recognizer. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. The correct answer is C. Azure Machine Learning. Explanation. This is the primary platform for managing the full ML lifecycle in Azure, including building, training, and deploying models. It provides tools, frameworks, and services to streamline model development and deployment efficiently. If you want more real exam-level practice questions like these, I highly recommend checking out Pass for Success. Their question sets are very close to actual exam patterns and can significantly improve your preparation. Question 3. Which of the following scenarios most directly relies on techniques for extracting and interpreting visual features from pixel-based data? A. Translating text between languages. B. Detecting faces in images. C. Converting speech to text. D. Analyzing sentiment in reviews. Pause the video and choose the best answer. The correct answer is B. Detecting faces in images. Explanation. Computer vision focuses on extracting information from images and videos. It analyzes pixel data to identify patterns, objects, and features like faces. Question 4. Which principle is most central to the concept of responsible AI when considering the societal impact and deployment of AI systems? A. Increasing model accuracy. B. Reducing training time. C. Maximizing automation. D. Ensuring ethical and fair AI use. Take a few seconds to think about this one. The correct answer is D. Ensuring ethical and fair AI use. Explanation. This includes fairness, transparency, accountability, and privacy. These principles help ensure AI systems are used responsibly and do not harm individuals or society. Question 5. Which machine learning paradigm relies on datasets where each input is paired with a known correct output for training? A. Unsupervised learning. B. Reinforcement learning. C. Supervised learning. D. Deep learning. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about the best answer. The correct answer is C. Supervised learning. Explanation. Models learn from labeled datasets where each input has a known correct output, helping them make accurate predictions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Based on Microsoft's certification evolution patterns, here's what you can expect in the next version. Concepts that will stay: AI Fundamentals, NLP, Computer Vision Basics, Responsible AI Principles. Concepts that may expand: Generative AI, Copilot integrations, real-world AI use cases. So if you understand why these answers are correct, you're already ahead of most candidates. If you found this helpful, I've got something even better for you. In the next video, I'll break down the full comparison between AI 900 and AI 901 and help you decide which exam you should take. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And if you want more practice questions, drop a comment below saying "More AI."